In this video, we're taking you on a tour of the Thompson Gild Hall and we'll show you the nearby attractions to the hotel. Located in the financial district of Lower Manhattan, Thompson Gild Hall is steps from One World Trade Center, the 9/11 Memorial, Wall Street, Battery Park, Staten Island Ferry, and the Brooklyn Bridge. It features rooms and suites with a mid-century modern design, a delicious Italian restaurant, a sophisticated wine bar, 3 small gyms, and meeting facilities. As we enter the lobby, the aesthetic seems to be a cross between mid-century modern and hunting lodge, but it works really well with all the quality wood and leather finishes and still imparts a vintage New York City vibe. Let's take a look at our King Premium Room. Room 54, here at Thompson Gild Hall. So most rooms in New York, most of the hotel rooms are pretty tiny, but this one seems like it's a decent size. But first let's take a look at the closet, which is right by the entrance. Let's open this up. So it's your standard closet. It comes with a clothes steamer up there, and we already have a couple of our small luggages in here. And on the other side of this closet is the snack bar, and it has the safe up here. Here's the snacks and a couple bottles of wine. There's the items. And let's see what's inside this drawer. Storage. And there's a fridge here with some drinks and liquor. Alright, let's move to the bedroom. So there's a table for some of your luggage. Here's the big screen TV. And a little desk if you need to do any work. Ice bucket. Voss water, a couple glasses, some drawers, and let's see, what is this one? Nope, that doesn't open. So they gave us a couple coupons redeemable for at Philly's for breakfast for being Hyatt Globalists. So there's the items you can choose from. Couple bottles of complimentary water and a welcome card. Let's take a look at our view outside. Not much of a view, just this building across the street. Here is a sitting area. This chair looks pretty comfy, so looks nice. And beside the bed, here's the clock. They have this on both sides of the bed, so you won't run out of USB plugs and regular power plugs. Here's a king size bed. And this room has a high ceiling, which makes it seem bigger than it is. So here's the other side of the bed. It's more USB plugs and power plugs. Here's their menu for Felice, the restaurant downstairs. It's supposed to be really good, so we'll probably try that for dinner tonight. Now let's check out the bathroom. So there's the bathroom. Has a rainfall shower and a bathtub. Hair dryers right here. The lighted mirror with a single sink. And this is the product they use here. It's Molten Brown London. And their soap is still Bowmakers that we're used to at all the Thompsons we stay at. And up here, they have this bath bomb. I mean, if you want to use it, it costs $15. And that is a quick tour of our King Premium Room here at Thompson Gild Hall. Philly's Ristorante, located right beside the lobby, serves rustic Tuscan cuisine and is a favorite among the local clientele. It's open for breakfast Monday through Friday from 7:30 to 11 a.m. and on Saturday and Sunday from 8 to 11:30 a.m. Lunch is served Monday through Friday from 12 to 4 p.m. Brunch is served on Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 4 p.m. Dinner is served daily from 4 to 10 p.m. And don't forget to check out the daily happy hour from 4 to 6 p.m. We stopped by for breakfast on Sunday morning and ordered the American breakfast and avocado toast, which I really liked. We also had a nice dinner here, and I highly recommend making reservations since it was pretty busy. We started with bruschetta for our appetizer. For our main entree, we shared the pappardelle pasta and ended our meal with chocolate cake for dessert. The food here was really good, and I can see why this is a favorite spot for locals. La Sofita is a 35-seat wine bar which offers a cozy setting amidst the bustling city. It's a great spot for relaxed date nights and private events and is open daily from 5 to 10 p.m. They have 3 fitness centers here, located on the 6th, 7th, and 18th floors. This is the 18th floor fitness center. Let's take a look. It's a very small fitness center with treadmill, bench, elliptical, and some dumbbells. And there's a couple mats here with an exercise ball also. So that was a quick look at the fitness center. Now let's take a look at the nearby attractions within walking distance from the hotel. The Brooklyn Bridge is a 10-minute walk away, and it's a great spot to take pictures and get a great view of the New York City skyline. We recommend walking all the way to Brooklyn Bridge Park and take the ferry back to Lower Manhattan. We visited the 9/11 Memorial and Museum, which was 10 minutes away. The museum provides a timeline of the events that happened on 9/11 and has a collection of authentic artifacts and shares stories of loss, recovery, and hope. We stopped by the Tranquil Memorial Pools just outside the museum before heading to our next stop. We recommend going up the One World Trade Center observation deck to see the spectacular view of the New York skyline. We spent about 30 minutes here taking in views of the bustling metropolis with buildings as far out as the eye can see. Our next stop was the Oculus at the World Trade Center, which has a plethora of shops and exhibits. Wall Street is only a 7-minute walk away, where you can take pictures of the New York Stock Exchange and the Charging Bull. Battery Park is a 14-minute walk away, where you can take the ferry to the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. Thompson Gild Hall is our go-to hotel when staying in Lower Manhattan. The rooms are more spacious than standard New York City rooms, it has a great restaurant, and its location makes it easy to walk to nearby attractions. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.